Here's the 8-16 rule for buying rental property. 99% of rentals don't make the cut, so you have to screen them quickly. Case study from 2016, a 3-bed, 2-bath house, 1,800 square feet. The 8-16 rule goes like this. If you pay 8 times gross rent multiple or less, the property will cash flow. If you pay between 8 and 16 times gross rent multiple, you've bought yourself a part-time job and you're hoping for appreciation. If you pay over 16 times gross rent multiple, you have bought yourself a full-time job and you are praying for appreciation. For example, if rent is $950 a month, that's $11,400 a year gross rent. 8 times gross rent multiple is $91,000. The rental needs to be $91,000 or less to cash flow. Over 16 times gross rent multiple is $182,000. You pay that price, you got yourself a full-time job, and you are just praying for appreciation. The home was rented for $950. My business partner bought it for $50,000. They put in $35,000 to fix it up. I bought it for $88,500. This means the property cash flows from day one and appreciation is just a bonus. If it happens, great. If it doesn't, it doesn't matter. Today, the property rents for $1,450 a month or $17,400 a year. Would this property be a good buy today? 18 times $17,400 is $139,000. To cash flow from day one, the price needs to be $139,000 or less. Currently, it's $180,000. So today, it doesn't work. At $180,000 is approximately 10 times gross rent multiple. It's a part-time job and you're hoping for appreciation. And that's the 8-16 rule. Good luck. Take care.